Alright, so this is my Savage Precision 64 from Savage Arms, of course. Um, it's a cool little plinker, but the first day I fired it, 10 rounds in, that piece broke. It's right here. So, bolt jams to the back, it won't go forward. You have to take it apart to move the bolt back forward. So what I did is I replaced that little circle that messed up with a steel version of it, and now it's firing again. Other than that, it's an awesome gun. Because of the 22 round mag, I added a 1x4 on top. And right now it has a flash hider, but I can add my suppressor to it. It is threaded barrel. It's probably the reason I bought it. But yeah, and I also camoed it out. It's just tiger stripe. Well, my version of it. So like I said, apart from the fact that it broke 7 rounds in, because they decided to replace the all metal version of this with some plastic crap at the end. I did a little bit of backyard mechanic and got it to work again. So now it's perfectly fine. As you can see in some of the videos I've shot so far. Other than that, don't buy it.